Hi everyone. In previous video, we discussed some problems in exercise 7.2. Today we are going to discuss the rest of the problems in exercise 7.2. Suppose your given problem is in any one of these four forms. Then what is the substitution? If you observe the first one, integral ax plus b into root of px plus q dx. This is a linear function. Linear function means a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial or linear function. Now here px plus q is also a linear function. Now linear function into root linear function. Here if you observe the second one, this is a linear function. This is also a linear function. Linear function divided by root linear function. Here root linear function divided by linear function. Here 1 divided by linear function into root linear function. In this kind of problems, you take the substitution as root linear function equals to t. That is, here root linear function means root of px plus q, that equals to t. Squaring on both sides, px plus q equals to t square. Then differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So if you take the substitution as root linear function is equals to t, we can integrate the given problem very easily. Now see some problems based on this model. Now see the seventh problem. Integral x into square root of x plus 2 dx. If you observe the integrand, this is a linear function because its degree 1. X plus 2 is also a linear function because its degree 1. Now clearly the integrand is of the form like ax plus b into root of px plus q. That is integral ax plus b into root of px plus q dx. So linear function into root linear function form. Now in this case, what is your substitution? Root linear function equals to t. So take the substitution, root of x plus 2 equals to t. Squaring on both sides, x plus 2 equal to t square. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus 2 constant term, its derivative 0 equals to derivative of t square with respect to x is 2t into dt divided by dx. Now this is 1 equals to 2t into dt divided by dx. From this dx equals to 2t into dt. Now come to our given problem. This is integral x. What is the value of x? X plus 2 equal to t square. Now from this equation, x equal to t square minus 2. Bring this 2 from LHS to RHS. So x equal to t square minus 2. In place of x, write down t square minus 2. So this is a t square minus 2 into root of x plus 2. Root of x plus 2 is a t into dx. What is the value of dx? 2t into dt. So 2t into dt. Now this equals to integral t square minus 2 into, this is 2 into t, that is a 2t square dt. Now this equals to integral, multiply these two terms with 2t square. So 2t square into t square, 2 into t power 4 minus 4t square dt. Now this equals to integral 2 into t power 4 dt minus integral 4 t square dt. Now here 2 is the constant term, so this term can be expressed as 2 into integral t power 4 dt minus, here 4 is the constant term, this entire term can also be written as 4 into integral t square dt. Now integral t power 4 dt. What is the formula of integral x power n dx? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So by using this formula, what is the value of integral t power 4 dt? T power 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1. So that is 2 into t power 4 plus 1 5 divided by 5 minus 4 into integral t square dt. Again by using this formula, integral t square dt is t power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, that is a t cube divided by 3 plus constant term c. Now this equals to 2 by 5 into t power 5. What is our t value? T is root of x plus 2. So root of x plus 2 whole power 5 minus 4 by 3 into t cube. Again t is root of x plus 2. So root of x plus 2 whole cube plus c. So finally what is the answer? 2 by 5 into, this is x plus 2 whole power 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 into root of x plus 2 whole cube can be taken as x plus 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So therefore integral x into root of x plus 2 dx equals to 2 by 5 into x plus 2 whole power 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 into x plus 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus a constant of c. See one more question in the same model. Question number 11. Integral x divided by root of x plus 4 dx. This is a linear function. This is root linear function. Clearly your given problem is of the form like integral ax plus b divided by root of px plus q dx. Linear function divided by root linear function. Now in this case, what is your substitution? Root linear function is equals to t. Now take that substitution. Root linear function, root of x plus 4 equal to t. Squaring on both sides, this is x plus 4 equal to t square. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus 4 constant term its derivative 0 equal to derivative of t square with respect to x is 2t into dt by dx. So from this 1 equals to 2t into dt by dx. Again dx equals to 2t into dt. Now come to the problem. Now this equals to integral x. What is the value of x? Here x plus 4 equal to t square. Bring this 4 from LHS to RHS. This implies x equal to t square minus 4. In place of x, write down t square minus 4. So t square minus 4 into dx. What is the value of dx? 2t dt divided by root of x plus 4. Root of x plus 4 is a t. Now this equals to, here t will be cancelled. Integral t square minus 4 into 2 into dt. Now this equals to integral 2 into t square minus 2 into 4 8 dt. Now this equals to, you can separate the two terms with integration, integral 2t square dt minus integral 8 dt. Now here 2 is the constant term, it can be expressed as 2 into integral t square dt minus, here 8 is the constant term, it can be written as 8 into integral 1 dt. Integral t square dt. What is the formula of integral x power n dx? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus a constant of c. So by using this formula, integral t square dt is t power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. That is nothing but t cube divided by 3. So that is 2 into t cube divided by 3 minus 8 into integral 1 dx is x plus a constant term c. Integral 1 dx is x plus c. Integral 1 dt is nothing but t. So this is a t plus a constant term c. Now this is equal to 2 by 3 into t cube. What is your t value? Root of x plus 4. Root of x plus 4 whole cube minus 8 into t. Again t is root of x plus 4 plus c. Now this is equal to 2 by 3 into root of x plus 4 whole cube can also be written as x plus 4 whole power 3 by 2 minus 8 into root of x plus 4 plus c. So what is the answer? Integral x divided by root of x plus 4 dx equals to 2 by 3 into x plus 4 whole power 3 by 2 minus 8 into root of x plus 4 plus a constant of c. See the next problem. Question number 8. Integral x into square root of 1 plus 2x square dx. Now here given integrand can be written as root of 1 plus 2x square, which is same as 1 plus 2x square whole power 1 by 2 dx. Now take the substitution as 1 plus 2x square equals to t, 1 plus 2x square equals to t. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x, one constant term derivative 0 plus 2 into x square derivative 2x equals to derivative of t with respect to x is dt divided by dx. Now this is 4x equals to dt by dx. Now from this x into dx equals to dt divided by 4. Now here it is integral x into dx. X into dx value dt divided by 4. This is a dt divided by 4. 1 plus 2x square. In place of 1 plus 2x square, write down our substitution t. So this is a t power 1 by 2. So integral t power 1 by 2 into dt divided by 4. Now this equals to 1 by 4 into integral t power 1 by 2 dt. Now it is of the form integral x power n dx form. What is the formula of integral x power n dx? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus a constant of c. So by using that formula, tell me its value. 1 by 4 into, this is a t power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. So this is the t power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus a constant of c. Now this equals to 1 by 4 into 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c. Now this equals to, here 2 will be cancelled in 4 2 times. So 1 upon 2 into 3, 6. Then t power 3 by 2. What is your t value? T value 1 plus 2x square. So 1 plus 2x square whole power 3 by 2 plus c. What is the answer? Integral x into root of 1 plus 2x square dx equals to 1 by 6 into 1 plus 2x square whole power 3 by 2 plus a constant c. Come to the next problem. Ninth one. Integral 4x plus 2 into square root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. Clearly, it is a linear polynomial because its degree 1. But what is the degree of this polynomial? 2. So it is not in the form of ax plus b into root of px plus q. So here it is a linear into root linear, but here this is a linear into root quadratic. So in this problem, you cannot take the substitution as root of x square plus 1 plus x plus 1 equals to t. Then how to handle this problem? Now here 4x plus 2. From this you can take the common factor as 2. Root of x square plus x plus 1 can also be written as x square plus x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2. So first write down integral 2 is the common factor. This is 2 into 2x plus 1. This term can be taken as x square plus x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 dx. Now this is 2 into integral 2x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 dx. Suppose if you take the substitution as x square plus x plus 1 equals to t, then what is its derivative? X square derivative 2x, x derivative 1, 1 is the constant term 0. So if you take the substitution x square plus x plus 1 equals to t, then 2x plus 1 into dx becomes a dt. Then automatically this problem is easily integrable. So take the substitution x square plus x plus 1 equals to t. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x. X square derivative 2x plus x derivative 1. Here 1 is the constant term, derivative 0 equals to derivative of t with respect to x is dt by dx. So this is 2x plus 1 equals to dt by dx. From this 2x plus 1 into dx equals to dt. Now this equals to 2 into integral, instead of 2x plus 1 into dx, you write down dt x square plus x plus 1, that is nothing but t. So that is t power 1 by 2. Now this equals to 2 into integral t power 1 by 2 dt. It is of the form integral x power n dx. What is its formula? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So use that formula, t power 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 plus a constant c. Now this equals to 2 into 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c. Now this equals to 4 by 3 into t. What is the value of t? X square plus x plus 1. So x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So therefore integral 4x plus 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1 dx equals to 4 by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus a constant of c. Now come to the next problem. 10th one, integral 1 divided by x minus root x dx. First convert this x in terms of root x. So integral 1 divided by this x can be taken as a root x into root x minus root x dx. Now this equals to integral 1 divided by root x is the common factor. So root x into root x minus 1 dx. Now this equals to integral, shift this root x to numerator. This is 1 divided by root x divided by root x minus 1 dx. What is the derivative of root x minus 1? Derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x. 1 is the constant, its derivative 0. If you take the substitution root x minus 1 as t, then this function is easily integrable. So you take the substitution as root x minus 1 equals to t. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x. Derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x, 1 constant term, derivative 0 equal to derivative of t with respect to x is dt divided by dx. Now from this 1 divided by 2 root x equals to dt by dx. Again 1 divided by root x into dx equals to 2 into dt. Now this equals to integral 1 divided by root x into dx. 1 divided by root x into dx value 2 into dt. So 2 into dt divided by root x minus 1. That is nothing but our substitution t. Now this equals to 2 into integral 1 by t dt. It is of the form like integral 1 by x dx. What is the formula of integral 1 by x dx? That is log mod x plus a constant term c. Integral 1 by x dx is log mod x plus a constant term c. By using this formula, can we guess the value of integral 1 by t dt? That is log mod t. So 2 into log mod t plus a constant c. Now this equals to 2 into log modulus of t. What is your substitution t? Root x minus 1. So root x minus 1 plus c. So what is the final answer? Integral 1 divided by x minus root x dx value 2 into logarithm of modulus of root x minus 1 plus a constant of c. Now come to the next problem. Find integral x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into x power 5 dx. First try to convert this x power 5 in terms of x cube. Split this x power 5 in terms of x cube. This x power 5 can be taken as a x cube into x square. So come to the solution. Integral x cube minus 1 into 1 by 3 into x power 5 can be taken as a x cube into x square into dx. Take the substitution x cube minus 1 equals to t. Put x cube minus 1 equals to t. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x cube derivative 3x square, 1 constant term derivative 0 is equals to dt divided by dx. So this is 3x square equals to dt divided by dx. From this x square into dx equals to dt divided by 3. Now come to our problem. This is integral x cube minus 1. X cube minus 1 equals to t. This is t power 1 by 3 into x cube. From this substitution, bring this minus 1 from LHS to RHS. X cube equals to t plus 1. So in place of x cube, substituting t plus 1, this is a t plus 1. X square dx. What is the value of x square dx? dt divided by 3. dt divided by 3. So this equals to integral t power 1 by 3 into t. This is t power 1 by 3 into t plus t power 1 by 3 into 1 t power 1 by 3 into dt divided by 3. Now again here 1 by 3 is the constant term. So 1 by 3 into integral, here t means t power 1. Bases are equal, you can add the corresponding powers. 1 by 3 plus 1, that becomes a 4 by 3. So integral t power 4 by 3 plus this is t power 1 by 3 dt. So this equals to 1 by 3 into integral t power 4 by 3 dt plus integral t power 1 by 3 dt. Now this term is of the form like integral x power n dx form. What is the formula of integral x power n dx? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus a constant term c. By using that formula, integral t power 4 by 3 dt is t power 4 by 3 plus 1 divided by 4 by 3 plus 1. That is 1 by 3 into t power 4 by 3 plus 1, that is 7 by 3 divided by 7 by 3 plus again integral t power 1 by 3 dt value t power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1, that is t power 4 by 3 divided by 4 by 3 plus a constant term c. Now this equals to 1 by 3 into 1 by 7 by 3. This is nothing but 3 by 7 into t power 7 by 3 plus this is a 3 by 4 into t power 4 by 3 plus a constant term c. Now this equals to multiplying this 1 by 3 with these two terms, then 3 will be cancelled. 1 by 7 into what is t value? T value x cube minus 1. So this is x cube minus 1 whole power 7 by 3 plus by multiplying 1 by 3 with this 3 by 4, 3 will be cancelled. 1 by 4 into t. What is the value of t? X cube minus 1. So x cube minus 1 whole power 4 by 3 plus c. So what is the answer? Integral x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 x power 5 dx equals to 1 by 7 into x cube minus 1 whole power 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4 into x cube minus 1 whole power 4 by 3 plus a constant term c. Now come to the next question. Find integral x square divided by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube dx. Now bring this term to numerator. That is integral x square into, this is 2 plus 3x cube power minus 3 dx. Suppose if you take the substitution as 2 plus 3x cube is equals to t, then what is its derivative? 2 constant term derivative 0 plus 3 into x cube derivative 3x square. So if you take the substitution as a 2 plus 3x cube is equals to t, then x square into dx value is some scalar multiple of our substitution. So if you take the substitution as a 2 plus 3x cube is equals to t, then you can easily integrable this function. So substitution 2 plus 3x cube equals to t. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x, 2 derivative 0 plus 3 into x cube derivative 3x square equal to derivative of t with respect to x is dt by dx. Now this is 9x square equals to dt by dx. From this, x square into dx equals to dt divided by 9. Now this is integral, instead of x square into dx, you can substitute dt divided by 9. So dt divided by 9, 2 plus 3x cube, that is our substitution t. So t power minus 3. So this equals to 1 by 9 into integral t power minus 3 dt. Clearly this term is of the form like integral x power n dx. What is the formula of integral x power n dx? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus a constant term c. So by using this formula, integral t power minus 3 dt is t power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 plus a constant term c. So this equals to 1 by 9 into t power minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus a constant c. So this equals to minus 1 by 18 into t power minus 2 plus c. Now this equals to minus 1 by 18 into t. What is the value of t? 2 plus 3x cube. So 2 plus 3x cube whole power minus 2 plus c. So therefore integral x square divided by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube dx equals to minus 1 divided by 18 into 2 plus 3x cube whole square plus c. What is the final answer? Integral x square divided by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube dx equals to minus 1 divided by 18 into 2 plus 3x cube whole square plus a constant term c. Now come to the next problem. 14th one. Integral 1 divided by x into log x whole power m dx. Now write down this x, shift this x to the numerator. This is integral 1 by x divided by log x whole power m dx. What is the derivative of log x? Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now take the substitution, log x equals to t. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x, derivative of log x is 1 by x. This equals to derivative of t with respect to x is dt divided by dx. So from this 1 by x into dx equals to dt. Now this is integral 1 by x into dx, that is nothing but dt divided by log x. Log x is our substitution t. So t power m. Now this equals to integral t power minus m dt. It is of the form like integral x power n dx. What is this formula? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus a constant c. So from this formula, integral t power minus m dt is t power minus m plus 1 divided by minus m plus 1 plus a constant of c. Now this equals to t power 1 minus m divided by 1 minus m plus a constant of c. So therefore integral 1 divided by x into log x whole power m dx equals to t. What is the value of t? Log x. So this is log x power 1 minus m divided by 1 minus m plus a constant term c. Now come to the next problem, 15th one. Integral x divided by 9 minus 4x square dx. We integrate this problem by substitution method. In substitution method, always we take some expression is equals to t. Here I am take the substitution as 9 minus 4x square equals to t. What is my substitution? 9 minus 4x square equals to t. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x, 9 constant term, its derivative 0 minus 4 into x square derivative 2x equals to derivative of t with respect to x dt divided by dx. Now this is minus 8x equals to dt divided by dx. But in the numerator x into dx will be there. So write down x into dx value. X into dx equals to minus dt divided by 8. Now this equals to integral x into dx. X into dx is minus dt divided by 8 divided by 9 minus 4x square. What is our substitution? 9 minus 4x square equals to t. Now this equals to minus 1 by 8 into integral 1 by t dt. Now this equals to minus 1 by 8 into what is the formula of integral 1 by x dx. Integral 1 by x dx is log mod x plus a constant of c. Now from this formula, integral 1 by t dt can be written as log mod t plus c. Now this equals to minus 1 by 8 into replace t with 9 minus 4x square. So log modulus of 9 minus 4x square plus c. So therefore integral x divided by 9 minus 4x square dx equals to minus 1 by 8 into log modulus of 9 minus 4x square plus a constant of c.